Education today is no longer limited to four walls. It is about creating learning environments that inspire, engage, and evolve. Across leading institutions, classrooms are being reimagined, not just with technology, but with purpose. Welcome to the PeopleLink Smart Classroom, a thoughtfully designed, fully integrated learning ecosystem where teaching becomes more impactful and learning becomes more immersive. From interactive displays and smart audio systems to seamless video, collaboration, and content sharing, every element works together effortlessly. Teachers feel confident, students stay engaged, and classrooms respond intelligently to the way learning happens today. Whether it's in-person teaching, online learning, or a hybrid classroom model, PeopleLink adapts without disruption. Behind the scenes, IT teams stay in control. Secure infrastructure, stable performance, and smooth integration with existing networks and LMS platforms. No complexity, no fragmentation, just reliable, future-ready classrooms. Because modern education demands more than technology, it demands consistency, scalability, and measurable outcomes. This is how institutions create uniform learning experiences across campuses, regions, and communities. This is how classrooms become future-ready. PeopleLink Smart Classroom. Designed for today's learners, built for tomorrow's leaders.